Hello everyone, my name is Shahanti. I am studying second year BTech in Vishnu Institute of Technology. So today I am going to show you a Telegram board that I have created using Node.js. So to create a Telegram board, first you have to open Telegram and search for botfather. In the search for, type botfather and select the verified botfather account with a blue tick. Next, click the start button to initiate the chat with Botfather. Botfather will guide you through the process of creating and managing Telegram bots. To create a new bot, send command like type a message like new bot. Botfather will ask you to choose a name for your bot. Then you have to choose a name for your bot, and it will also ask to choose a unique username for your bot. Then you have to choose a unique username. Um, Then once bot is successfully created, Botfather will send you a message containing the bot token and bot link. When you click on this link, you will directly go to the bot chart and copy the token you had to use in code. For writing code, you have to go to the VS Code. Open VS Code, and I write the code like this. So here a Telegram bot. Here Telegram bot is a library for working with Telegram bots API. Next, request. Request is also a library to make HTTP request to external APIs. Next, setting up keys and bot token. The Telegram bot token is used to connect your bot to Telegram servers. The weather API key, here the weather API key is used to fetch weather data from the weather API. You can get this weather API key from the Google, like searching weather API. You can also get this key. Next, um listening for messages. If you type bot.on, then the bot will activate. This set up an event listener for any message that bot receives. The bot acknowledges the user with a quick message processing your request. Next, the user is expecting to send a city name. If no input is provided, the bot sends a error message asking for the correct format. The city name entered by the user is embedded into the weather API URL. Here we can provide with API URL. It is mandatory to provide it. Next, request URL callback makes a HTTP request to the weather API. If the request is successful, then the status code is equals 200. The response body is passed into the JavaScript object. Next, okay. The bot extracts the temperature, weather condition, and city name from the response. It sends the weather details back to the user in a well-formatted message. If you want to run the bot, you have to select these three lines and terminal. Here, new terminal, and you have to type node space your file name. Here, my file name is weather.js. So I am typing weather.js. Remember, you have to if you want to run the bot, you have to type node space file name. Here my file name is weather.js, so I am typing here like weather node space weather.js. Next, press enter. Now your bot is running. So you have to go to the Telegram and check the output. You enter any city name, like I'm entering New York. New York. Then it will give message like processing your request and weather -2.2 degrees Celsius. And I'm entering Paris. Okay, like this. It will also give the description also, and I'm giving Chennai. You can see I'm and also giving Mumbai. Okay, then I'm giving Delhi. This is how you can check the weather of any city by searching city name using this bot. And this is the overall code. You can see this is the overall code. Thank you for watching this video.